Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an at-home Valentine's Day photo shoot. I'm so excited for this video, for this photo shoot. If you did not watch my recent video of me preparing for this at-home Valentine's Day photo shoot, me getting my nails done by my sister, me getting my toes done by my sister, all that type of stuff, you should go watch that video. I will have it in the iCard and I'll also have it in the description box too. So go check out that video. But before we get into this video, you have to make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, have your post notifications on, and also like this video and comment something down below. Follow me on my social medias too. Period. Now let's just get into this video. Right now we're getting ready to set up, or I'm getting ready to set up. Why do I keep saying we? I just like to make y'all feel y'all are here with me. Yeah, so that's why I use the word we a lot. But that's besides the point. But I'm getting ready to set up the stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got first. I got this tripod for my camera. I do have another tripod, but that's gonna be for my phone. This one is gonna be for my camera. Another thing that I have is, like, you know, what is it called? Like them stands that hold the backdrop. Like this. So I have to like hang it up. As you can see, it just says Happy Valentine's Day. They're just tablecloth. I'm gonna use this red one. This white one might just go on the ground so I can sit on it. I don't know. But yeah, that's basically what we might be doing. In the living room, on my dining room table, we have a lot of decorations. I might take some decorations off of that table. Just gonna have fun with it. Now we're gonna just set up. I know I'm all over the place, y'all, because I'm pretty excited. Like, I'm excited. So excited! So excited! I'm gonna have to move the table. So I'll see y'all later. Like, I don't know what I'm done trying to do this stupid thing. Cause like, you know, we're not gonna talk about it, but I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm gonna do this and I might eat something while I'm doing this because this is starting to be a lot. But it's okay. So I'm gonna go back in there, whatever. I see y'all when I just see y'all. I did it off camera, y'all. And yeah. Now I just gotta put this. Hold up, let me. So these sandbags, I don't even have the, we're about to just put stuff in it. We're not gonna put like the sandbags in it, but we're gonna put like heavy stuff in it because I don't got no sandbags. Some of my mom's insurance too. Oh, ouch! My toe! My toe! So we're gonna use some of my mom's insurance, put them in here so the thing will not be tilting, try to fall, anything like that, you know. But don't tell my mom I'm using these. Hopefully she doesn't see this video. But I'm gonna tell her anyway. I'm gonna be the one to tell her. So good. Backdrop up. We got that up. I'm gonna try to put the Happy Valentine's Day thing up now. Let's see. This, yeah, we're gonna try to do that. We're not doing that. That's this was not working out at all. It just wasn't. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna put more decorations on the ground and more decorations on the side and that stuff. So don't worry about that. But yeah, got white ones, pink ones, and then I got these. I just want to show y'all the setup. The white tablecloth, red tablecloth, the pink and white. Yeah, cameras right there, tripod, ring light, boom. That's it. Okay, y'all, I'm done setting everything up. We're getting ready to take the pictures now. My sister did do my edges and my nails are back on. Also put on some lip gloss. So it's time to take the pictures. reached the end of this video. My sisters did help me with the photo shoot, and I'm so thankful.
Something always going on with you.
I'm so thankful for them helping me. Shout out to them.
Hey, put it back on.
Yeah, shout out to them. Like, so thankful. Y'all enjoyed.
Thankful, hashtag blessed, hashtag princess and princess.
And
Period.
hashtag in the video.
But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell, share this video to one of your friends, and also follow me on my social medias too. And I'll see you in the next YouTube video.